It's a wonderful psychologist at U of T who had University of Toronto called Jordan Peterson, who I had a long conversation with about this, who sort of says if you look at the big 5 personality traits, he thinks that entrepreneurs are characterized by openness, which is obvious, creativity, conscientiousness, again obvious, diligence, but he thinks that they are disagreeable. That is to say, they are not people who require the social approval of their peers in order to. And I think he makes a very compelling argument, and I agree with that typology.
Ironically.
Theoretically, yeah. That there is something that if you're going to do something truly innovative, you have to be someone who doesn't value social approval. You can't need social approval to go forward. Otherwise, how would you ever do the thing you're doing, right? And I give the story example in my book of Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, one of the great entrepreneurs of the 20th century, who does, he, at a crucial point in building IKEA, in the middle of the Cold War, he starts outsourcing to Poland, which is just like an unthinkable act. In 1961, it's like it would be like outsourcing to North Korea today. You would have to have, so much audacity to do that. And you could imagine if the head of Walmart said, we're going to start sourcing from North Korea. It would just be well, that's what you'd have to be. Kamprad, who by the way is dyslexic, is just one of those people who it just doesn't bother him. I mean, he wasn't someone who, or if he lost sleep about it, he was more concerned about the health of his company than he was about his public reputation. Mm-hmm. And that, to be able to do that is not easy at all. And I think I see that trait, though, time and time again in innovators. Mm-hmm.